The Fat Controller works his engines hard, but they are proud when he calls them really useful. One morning the Fat Controller came to see the engines. The engines grumbled. They didn't like Diesel. Even the Fat Controller began to have doubts, because every time Diesel came to the main line, he always caused trouble. Later, when Diesel was making his way to Knapford Station, he saw Bill and Ben. Bill and Ben were cross as Diesel rolled away. Percy was shunting in the yard when Diesel arrived. Later, Percy told Duck what Diesel had said. That day, Diesel was taking some oil tankers to the harbour. Duck steamed past with a passenger train. Duck paid no attention. Diesel was so cross that he bumped the tankers so hard that a bit of oil spilled onto the tracks. Later, Duck was returning on the same track that Diesel was on. He didn't know about the oil on the tracks until it was too late. At the sheds, Percy told Gordon about Diesel. Diesel was doing some shunting at Marin Station. Rosie arrived with a small goods train. Diesel was blocking her way. The signalman didn't see that the brake van was still on the main line, so he changed the points to let Gordon through. Gordon raced along the line. He whistled loudly as he got closer to the station. The guard heard Gordon's whistle, so he got out of the brake van and ran for his life. Gordon saw the brake van, but it was too late. The Fat Controller was waiting for Gordon at Knapford Station. He was cross, but not with Gordon. 2 days later, Thomas and Percy found Diesel in a shed. He had been found out by the Fat Controller and got punished. The two engines puffed away while Diesel could do nothing but sulk in the shed.